Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with the well overdue package day. What do I mean by well overdue? Well, this was sent to me on November 25th of 2020, destined to reach my address on the 1st of December 2020. It is now the 3rd of October as I make this. So, this package day comes into us from my good friend Thumper. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. I've already taken the liberty to cut it open. Holy cow, y'all. This is a Master Lock number 15. This is probably one of the biggest Master Lock padlocks I have ever seen. Let's see what else we have in here. This is stuffing! Holy cow, y'all. Look at all these goodies. Fantastic, man. Like we have another Master Lock here. This guy is a one of the Magnums Master Locks, a new one, so that's cool. We have a Dharma, which is pretty nice. Very cool. Nice little Yale style keyway on that. That's nice. Looks like we have another Master Lock. This is a 311 SSKADLH. Who in the heck knows what that is? That's all right though. We have an Abus. This is from Garon Bodner, and I have picked this one already. But that is all right. This is number 4. This is one he sent to me first off. And then the package here we have, looks like, one from Average Picker called Subtle Sarge. So this looks like what we got. Oops, I did forget this guy here. A no-namer. Yeah, a no-namer, which is quite all right with me. So these are all the wonderful treats that Thumper sent to me. Thank you so much, my friend. I greatly appreciate it. This has been a package day by K1 Locks. Thank you so much again for watching. Be safe, be legal, and be the lock.